Okay, good morning peeps and welcome to Kaneil's vlog. So yeah, this morning we'll be heading to the gym, do a little bit of workout session so you guys can join me and just see how I do my morning workouts. So yeah, it's frosty out. Today at the gym I'll just be working on my legs, mostly leg stuff. And yeah, so journey with me. You sure? Is it why you go? You're already in it. It's always gym life settings. Click, 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 click. Yep. Kaneil? Good? That's an old guy, huh? Get some H2O. Then you gotta start everything with your H2O. Then I'm gonna be doing some warm-ups. And that's it for the gym. LA Fitness.
He's a good driver.
Yeah, it should be like that. So it's about to go down.
It goes down in the fusion. It goes down, it goes down in the fusion.
Reach up on them in the intersection now.
Can drive after all. My heart can't see, baby. Unless
And so, once again, there's only one man clever enough to have perpetrated such a dastardly crime. Ha! And I thought you were ready to give up.
Okay, senorita.
Sí, señor.
Ahí, español now upon them.
My heart can't see, baby. Unless
Brock.
my heart can't see, baby. Unless you held it. My heart can't see, baby. Unless
Whoa, skipper.
Whoa, skipper.
You don't want to run a red light now, do you, son?
No. Look how cute they are. They got matching shoes. They're the same color.
We have matching shoes, but different color. We got Clarks.
But they're different colors. We should get ones like those. Unless you my heart can't see, baby. Unless you held it. My heart can't see, baby. Unless Stop. Oh God, you didn't see him.
I see him.
Oh God, you didn't see him.
I see him. I saw him now. I see him. I see you saw me see him.
My heart can't see, baby. Unless you held it. My heart can't see, baby. Unless
Make sure you're not boring. When me say 6:30, your head for your touch Ninga and your Ninga touch touring. Up there, by your toe apart. Been up like you have no joint. Up there, oh, me say about no shit. Bag it up.